Welcome back guys to this brand new review video. Today we're going to review this Air New Zealand Airbus A320-200 in the all blacks livery. It's a 1/200 scale model made by JFOX models. So yeah, let's start with the box. So guys, this is the box. As you can see, this box is used by two other models, the Airline A320 and the AirAsia A320 with the Airline special livery. So this is the side view of the box with the AirAsia line special livery. On this side nothing. On this side we have the Air New Zealand and the Airline A320, and we can see that over here the box is ticked of the Air New Zealand model. And on the other side, once again, nothing. So inside of the box you will find this Air New Zealand Airbus A320. I will give you guys a closer look on this model in a second. So besides the model you will also find a tripod in the box. I will give you a closer look. So here you can see the belly of the airplane. You can see the two engines clearly from here, and also the main landing gear and the front landing gear. The landing gear is also magnetic, so you can take them out if you want. So something about this airplane itself. The company of this airplane is Air New Zealand. The aircraft is an Airbus A320-232. The registration of this aircraft is Zulu Kilo Oscar Alpha Bravo. It was delivered to Air New Zealand on 1st of February 2011, brand new. The age of this aircraft at the moment of filming is 9.4 years old. And the serial number is 4553. It has a range of 3541 miles or 5700 kilometers. It has two IAE engines. So the model is currently in the all blacks livery, but in real life this model has been repainted to the all black livery. So the all black livery is a little bit different from the all blacks livery. It doesn't have this gray part in the model, and some minor changes as well. So yeah, let's take a closer look at the airplane model itself. So first of all we have the cockpit. Right next to the cockpit is the Star Alliance logo. Then we have L1 door, the Air New Zealand logo. Underneath the Air New Zealand logo is the Crazy About Rugby sign. Let's move on to the rest of the airplane. So in the middle we have, here you can see the two overwing emergency exits. Near the back of the aircraft you have the registration and L2 door, and also the tail. And as you can see, the most detail is in the tail of the airplane with these leaves. So here we have the little winglet. It is also painted black, and the two engines also painted black. So yeah, as you can see, this whole model is very detailed, and that's what I like about it, besides the amazing livery by Air New Zealand. So on the other side it's practically the same livery, except you have R1 door and R2 door. So thank you very much for watching guys. This is the review for today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want. Upcoming videos will be in Air Greenland Boeing 757-200 from NG models in the 1/400 scale, and also an Iceland Air Boeing 757-200 in the 80 years livery or the Vatnajökull livery, also from NG models in the 1/400 scale. And in the near future I will also make a review about the Aeroflot Airbus A350-900 from In-Flight 200. It's a 1/200 scale model, it's in the new livery. But this airplane is still in pre-order, so it can take a while before it arrives at my home. So, see you guys